Is your Ford Ranger refusing to start, leaving you stranded in the driveway? Statistically, 70% of no-start issues in these trucks trace back to simple electrical faults. Let's break down the diagnostic process to find your culprit quickly. Start by confirming your battery terminals are clean and the ground straps are secure. The most common culprits are typically a dead battery or heavily corroded power cables. If the engine cranks but won't fire, check your fuel pump fuse or crankshaft position sensor. Simple electrical cleaning is a DIY task, but internal starter or computer issues often require a shop. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most common starting system repairs. Perform a load test on the battery to ensure it can actually handle the starter's draw. Make sure you have a quality multimeter and a wire brush ready before starting your work. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable before touching electrical connections. Check these basics first, and you will likely have your Ranger running in no time.